In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change status in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and navigate to the list that contains the task you want to update. This is important because task statuses are managed directly from the task's location. And going to the correct list first helps you find exactly what you need without wasting time. Once you're in the right list, look through your tasks and find the one you want to change. In that tasks row, locate the status column. This is where ClickUp shows the current progress stage of the task. And it's also where you can quickly make updates without needing to open the full task view. Next, click the task's current status. For example, it may say something like "To Do." As soon as you click it, the status menu will open and display the available status options for that task. These options help you communicate clearly where the task stands in the workflow, which is especially useful when you're collaborating with a team or just keeping your own work organized. From the menu, choose the status you want to apply. If you select "To Do," that means the task has not been started yet. If you choose "In Progress," that indicates the task is currently being worked on. And if you select "Complete," that means the task has been finished. After that, click your preferred status. ClickUp will automatically save the change and update the task with its new status right away, so there's no separate save button to worry about. That makes the process fast and convenient, especially if you're updating several tasks in one session. If you need to update more than one task, simply repeat the same process for any other tasks whose status you want to change. Go task by task, click the current status, choose the new one, and ClickUp will handle the update automatically. A helpful tip here is to keep your task statuses up to date as you work. This makes your workspace more accurate, improves visibility, and helps everyone involved understand what's pending, what's actively moving, and what's already done. That's all it takes to change a task status in ClickUp. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick part of your workflow. Thanks for watching.